Hi guys, how's it going? My name's James Allen. I'm currently living in Norwich in the UK, and I've been playing drums for around about 20 years, give or take. Mostly self-taught, taking a lot of influence from a lot of kind of heavy metal and hardcore drummers over the years. I myself play in a hardcore band called Hour of Reprisal. We play a few shows up and down the country, and I have great fun with it. So, the sticks I'm using at the moment are the Collision 5B Reach. They are the perfect size to length ratio for me. They've got that extra bit of swing and the perfect weight that I need. A few things I love about these and the whole brand itself. The build quality is just superb. So evenly weighted, the length is perfect. Very strong and durable. I give them hell and they absolutely last. The branding is very strong and memorable. Once you see that logo, you know what you're looking at. And something else that I love about this brand is the communication. Speaking to these guys through email or through social media, they reply instantly. Great help. Great service, sticks come as soon as you need them, and they're perfect. And they sell bundle packs too, which is great for if you're going on tour or getting ready for a recording session. Let's see them in action.
Yeah, the song is called Surgical Strike.